Judge Merchan has come back with his Sandoval ruling. Now, I talked about in a previous video about how this ruling was going to determine what they could talk about should Donald Trump take the stand. Well, here's a few of the things they can talk about. They can talk about the E. Jean Carroll cases. They can talk about his defamation of her. They can talk about him violating that gag order twice, and the penalties involved there. They can show emails about the Access Hollywood tape, but they can't show the actual Access Hollywood tape. They can show they can talk about the conversations around the tape that Donald Trump had with various people, but not the tape itself. They cannot talk about a case in Florida in which Donald Trump's attorneys were admonished and, I believe, fined for filing frivolous lawsuits, especially against Hillary Clinton. That is not permissible. However, they are allowed to bring in and talk about the civil fraud case and that judgment, which did elicit a head shake from Donald Trump. I'm surprised it wasn't a bigger outburst, but you know, he's not happy about that because he doesn't like to be reminded that he broke the law. The judge also said when talking about that civil fraud case that it proved Donald Trump violated the law. I believe that is what elicited the head shake, because Donald Trump doesn't believe he did anything wrong there, because Donald Trump in his mind never does anything wrong. So it's going to be interesting to see if Donald Trump would actually take the stand in his own defense. I don't believe he will, but should he? Those are some of the things they can talk about.